Since you bought it on V-WAP and your stop is just above V-WAP, allowing for a little breakthrough, not confirmation. This is the easiest trade you will ever make because it's either going to go your way, which it looks like it wants to, and bleed out, or you're immediately going to get stopped out for like a 3% loss. It's the best trade in the business, except for, my double tops, triple bottom stuff. You guys understand? It's so
Yes.
simplistic in every way off of this trade. So you should not be hesitating. You should not be fearing it. Hammer it and put your stops in. Done. Set it and forget it. If
Okay.
if it loiters around and it will never make a decision off of V-WAP, don't trade it. This has clearly touched, broke. See the difference? It moves. It tried to make moves. It was to the upside all day, and then it tried to go, and it was weak. Then it tried to pop back up. It was weak, and now you're to the downside. Test, triple bottom, break. Everybody see that? Yeah, you do. Now you're like light bulb. Triple bottom, break. Stop right here. Right? That's a
Yeah.
no-brainer.